Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to merge two or more images together. Here's an example of adding a cat face to a fox. So go ahead and open up Photoshop, and here is the original image, and I'm going to take the cat's face and add it to the fox. Now you want to find animals that are similar in color scheme to make it look more realistic. So I'll go ahead and go to the cat layer. I will choose the lasso tool, and I'm going to come and make a selection around the cat's face. So I'm drawing around the cat. Now I didn't do a real good job, but that's okay. I'm going to choose Edit Copy, then I'll go to that fox layer and do Edit Paste. I'm going to use the Move tool to move it. Now if the cat's head was significantly bigger, you would do Control T and then you would resize it. You do not want to make the image bigger because you'll lose quality. So keep that in mind when you're adding parts of an image to another image. So I'm going to go ahead and move the cat's head. You might need to zoom in with the zoom tool just to get a close-up. I'm going to go to the eraser tool, and I'm going to go to the top. As you can see, that eraser is kind of big. Go to the top, you can change the brush size. Do choose a soft edge eraser. So now when I come and brush up against the cat layer, the cat's head, you can see I'm gently going along the edges to make it look like it's blending in. I might need to move that cat's head. And again, go back to the eraser and have it blend. If you need to make it larger, you do Control T on that layer. Hold the Shift key and drag from a corner to keep the portions constrained. That was an easy combination to put together. Not all images are going to be this easy, so do choose wisely when you're grabbing images. I'm now going to choose File, Save As. Do make sure it's a JPEG, and then go ahead and put it in a logical location in order to add it to your presentation. This concludes the session on how to merge two or more objects together. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.